Hello, my name is Kelly and I'm going to show you how to create a Google Doc on Google Drive. So, in the first video, I showed you how to go to Google Drive and access your account. So now we're going to talk about how to go on it and how to start a Google Doc. So, there's different web browsers. I'm going to use Google Chrome and I'm going to make it big. Up in your window, up in your search bar, type Google and then sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you're going to have this page and it's going to say plus your name. And you're going to go to Google Drive. And then in Google Drive, you're going to click the New button. Now, there's different things you could create on Google. In your drive, you could create new folders. Like I have one that says CCSU and one that says school. You can upload different files. You can upload different folders. You can create a Google Doc, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms, Google Drawings, Google My Maps. Those are the main ones that you would do. If you're interested in doing more, you can click connect more apps, and there are a larger range of possibilities that you can do with Google Drive. But today we're going to go and we're going to click Google Docs. So once it opens, it's going to look kind of like Microsoft Word. It says untitled document in the top. You're going to click on it and you're going to click rename. And then once you click rename, you're going to make a new document name. So I'm going to type example, and that's going to be my name, and I'm going to click OK. So up here, you're always going to have the title, and you could star it. You can move it to a folder. Storing it, I'm going to show you what that means in a minute. So you could type your normal text. And it has similar features to Microsoft Word. So you can highlight it, you can change the font, you can change the size, you can change color, bold, italic, underline, change if you want it centered. There's all different options that you can do with Google Doc. And say you're working on it and you accidentally hit the X. Oh no, but don't worry, it's in a delete. It's right here in your My Drive. If you look right here, it says example. And if you didn't name it, it would just say untitled. And you just click back on it. So there's no need to worry if you're, it always saves it. It says last edit was seconds ago. So say if I type something else. Saving is right up top here. And then it says all changes saved in Drive. So it automatically updates it and it automatically saves it in your drive. So there's no need to worry about about constantly clicking file save. So when you're all done with your document, you could go through the edit, view, you can look through these different features on it. These are just some examples. You can do many options. You could share it. You can rename it, make a copy. There's all different things. So say I want to download it as a Microsoft Word document. I'm going to click File, Download as Microsoft Word. There's many different options down here. You may want to do a PDF document if you're used to those, but I'm just going to do Microsoft Word because that is what you could possibly use on your own computer. So I clicked it, and right down here, or in your download folder, it's going to have it where it was saved. So I'm going to click on it, and my computer is going to use Microsoft Word because I already have it downloaded on my computer, and I'm a registered user for it. If you don't have it, you're going to have to download Microsoft Word, or you can use the PDF. So it's going to open it in my Microsoft Word, which is great because that's how you can, if you're using someone's work, if they shared it with you, you can edit it on your own computer, not just in Google Drive or Google Docs. So when it comes up like this, it's going to say it's protected, but if you enable editing, you can edit it on your Microsoft Word. X out of that. And now I'm going to go over how to share it. So, as you can see, I was editing it. You can view it. And this is what your final document would look like before you're going to share it or print it. If you want to make suggestions, you can go through it and you can go through it and you can make edits. And it's going to show your suggestions on the right side, who made it, and you could type, I typed that I want AB bold, and you can make a comment. So, make it capital. And then you and another person or other people will be able to make suggestions on the document without actually having to do it. But I'm going to go back to editing and I'm going to click share. So you can share anything in Google Drive with people who are using Google Drive or with people who are not. So you can enter an email address. And once you entered in, so see, as you can see, it says yahoo.com. So this isn't a person that is using Google Drive. And you can allow whoever it is to edit the document, to comment, or to view. So if you give them editing permission, they can go on and they can access it and make changes. So this is good for collaboration. I'm going to leave it on can edit, and I'm going to add a note. And then I'm going to click send. And then yes. So I shared it with one person. You could share it with multiple people at one time. If you want to upload your document to a website, or if you want to just give someone a link, just click shareable link and then copy it, and you could paste it wherever you would need to send a link. So you can also send this to people who are in your address book. You could send it to people who are using Google Docs, and they'll be able to edit it on Google Docs. So when I click up here, it's gonna click. When I click on the Docs button, it's gonna show me all of the Google Docs that I have recently created. Just Google Docs, not the sheets, not anything else I created, just Google Docs. And I'm going to show you what starring the document means. So I'm going to click the star. I'm going to exit out of it. So I start it. And when you go on over here, it says my drive incoming. That means that people who share documents with you or items with you, you click it and that would come up. Recent ones you edited, trash, and the starred. So all the ones that you starred will come up in your star folder, in your star right here. So it would make it easier to access. So that was how to create and some basic features on using Google Drive, but in specifically Google Docs.